Hi and welcome in this new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to build this micro scale Hellcat tank destroyer, US model. It's used in the Second World War by the Americans, probably more allied countries, but it's an American tank. It's the Hellcat, M18 Hellcat, and yeah, it's tiny one. It's a little easy build, not very spectacular techniques or something. It's a fun thing to do, and yeah, this is a short video because of that. In a couple of seconds I will show you the steps, but first, all parts needed. Yeah, I used a tube here. I think it is about 3 cut to a 3 studs length, but nowadays you have bars. Lego produces bars in dark bluish gray, so don't necessarily need a tube. You could also choose to use a 3 studs wide long bar in dark bluish gray. If you want to see more tutorials, you probably should subscribe so you get notifications. Put on the bell, you know, the thing on the left there, right side of your screen. Then you will get updates once I post new tutorials. I've got a whole playlist full of micro brick battle designs over there. Yeah, credits for this one is Brickmania. They then Syscon allowed me to share with you all the micro brick battle book designs. This is one of them, so you can use it for a game of micro brick battle. If you want to know how to play micro brick battle, I've got some playtime videos on my YouTube channel, but you can also go to microbrickbattle.com, and there's a lot of resources, free downloadable right there. So perhaps game rules, everything is there. So perhaps you should go over there, check out the game rules and play one game with yourself. You don't need much tank designs to actually start playing. So hey, why not give it a shot? Huh? You don't even need to have all the correct color parts. You can actually just build a skittle camo, all types of colors, little tank. The stats will can be found on the Micro Brick Battle website, I think, too. I'm pretty sure if you want to play with Sherman and a Panzer, like Panzer IV, which is the most basic models to start with, you can find everything you need to get started with your first game on that website. So check out, you might enjoy it. Me and my son, we really like playing Micro Brick Battle. It's an easy to learn game. It's a nice tactical game, and all you need is some Lego parts, a dice, and how do you call it? A measuring tape, and you are ready to go. So hey, say give it a try. Microbrickbattle.com. Like I said, if you like this video, maybe you should want to subscribe. If you also like to give a like or a comment to this video, I can really appreciate it. For now, enough said. Let's see how this little one is built. First, all the parts you need in the parts list, and then step-by-step tutorial. Enjoy the video. Bye.